Hi, I'm Mike from Twin Cities Yard and Light. I'll take you on a little tour of a project we just did. We built these stairs. Those are pretty cool. And a flagstone path in crushed limestone. That's real cool. But what's really cool, all this builder work, and it wouldn't be so cool except that it's water flowing. It's a waterfall. It's awesome. As you can see here, an assortment of above ground and in the water plants. There's also some goldfish down in there. We just need food. Walk up this way. See all the boulder work that was done. During the excavation of the dirt down here, we put it up there in order to build a berm for the Stargate Falls. We're using Aquascape's products out here. A 5,000 gallon per hour pump with about 1,000 gallons of water volume pushing through here. You walk up, this is about 2.5 tons of flagstone that we use, and about 3 or 4 yards of crushed limestone. See here is the actual rock that went into this project. It was about 25 tons or 50,000 pounds. I think there was about 75 plantings that went on in around here. Just an assortment of different perennials and flowers that will bloom at different times of the year. Got a couple of nice sitting spots to be made. Different viewing areas. There's some bamboo just to highlight this little area right here with the oak tree. Different flowers. And then there's actually a little, kind of a little whirlpool sitting spot where you could jump in if you wanted to. Just kind of hang out, let the water flow over you. And this project took about 3 weeks. Two guys working on it, so it was a pretty big project, and I think we turned out really well.